Okay, so we're going to solve an inequality, finally. And we're going to show the solution using interval notation, set notation, and a graph. Okay, so it's 3x plus 1 is greater than 7x minus 15. So the way I do this is I get all my x terms on this side and all my numbers on this side. So I'm going to subtract 7x, and I'm going to subtract 1 from that side. So this cancels and this cancels. 3 minus 7 is a negative 4, so I'll get a minus 4x is greater than negative 16. Now remember, with inequalities, if you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign, right? So if you multiply or divide by a negative number, change sign. Okay, so since this is a negative 4, we are going to divide both sides by a negative 4, so we are dividing by negative. Okay, so we will change the sign. And a negative divided by negative is a positive. So x is less than 4. That is your answer. Now, we're not done, though, because we have to show that on a graph. I always think the graph is easier to do first. And it's less than, so it gets a parenthesis. And less than 4 is that way to negative infinity. So that's your graph. Your interval notation is going to start at negative infinity. You always start from the left and go up with these, with the interval notation. So negative infinity up to 4 with a parenthesis. And then your set notation is the set of all x such that x is less than 4. Okay? So all 3 of these are ways to denote that solution right there. Okay, I hope that helps you. There also is a way to do this on your graphing calculator. And what you're going to do is you're going to put in 3x plus 1 into y1. And into y2, you're going to put in 7x minus 15. And then you can hit your table, and you're going to notice when x is less than 4, you're going to notice that this line, the y values, are greater than the y values of this line when x is less than 4. Okay? Try that. Thank you. Bye-bye.